This is the Slice ceramic craft knife, designed to bring safety and precision to your studio. Unlike metal blades, this ceramic blade never rusts and lasts 11 times longer, so it stays sharp without constant replacements. Its unique finger-friendly edge significantly reduces the risk of accidental cuts, making it safer to the touch while still slicing effectively through craft materials. This model includes a sliding safety cap that twists and locks onto the handle, so it stays put and never gets lost. It slices effortlessly through thin paper, thick cardstock, and soft materials like felt, all with smooth, precise cuts. The textured anti-slip grip is comfortable for both left and right-handed artists, and the shape keeps it from rolling off your table mid-project. Upgrade your toolkit with a reliable craft knife that delivers clean cuts, better control, and added peace of mind.